even know. I can make your hands clap.